Hi! We just got back. We grabbed some groceries outside and I was actually recording the whole process. But then I realized I wasn't really recording. I swear I pressed the record button. I don't know why it stopped. But I'm gonna show you around. I'm recording her again because it cut off kanina.
Talagang inulit mo pa.
These are all our clothes for the kasal. Lola is going to sleep na.
This is the groom!
Wow! I'm gonna go upstairs na again because I'm gonna be his. I'm gonna give myself I just showed you around to everyone because I already did kanina sa isang take that I wasn't recording pala. So I had to make ulit. That barong is like perfect measurement because I did the measurements. Ang galing ko talaga mag-measure. What a beautiful barong. This barong is made by...
Likhanin mo.
Ay, gano'n lahat ang ano ni Lola.
We're gonna have dinner na pala muna. We already had dinner but we didn't because we just came home. We have na to.
Tamad lang yan.
I'm no longer eating rice. I'm just going to eat suman.
Hindi na ko makamuon yan.
Orange. We're watching Jessica Lee as well.
Hindi, makama siya.
Which required grilled pork liver, grind it, soaking it in vinegar.
Anong papindaan mo?
Good morning. I stayed up all night last night doing this. Good morning.
Isa pa.
So we're at, ano ang pangalan nito? RSM. RSM. Lutong Bahay. Tagaytay. Philippines. Video kaya.
Ako man, hindi mo ko.
Nagba-vlog ako ate.
Ay, hello.
Ha?
Ayun po pala yung yan ang kapatid na ni Mark.
We're currently at Crosswinds.
You can take the future, even if you track and field. Minsan may mga events dito. May mag-i-host. Ang daming ibig. Ganda ng sunset.
in your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation. And anytime you want it to stop. One more. Other one.
And, ha! Okay.
Tama ba yun pa? From ano kayo? From dulo. Kapika na po ba kayo? Hindi pa. Ma'am, okay lang. Dito lang po kayo. Okay lang.
Manatili po sa pagsaya. And once again, guys, Bride and Groom.
Yay! Yan po ang Pantomima Dance ng Bicol Region.
Kayo, ang lagay lang sana ko yung patulobo.